You just microwaved your leftovers without thinking twice. It only took 90 seconds. But the real answer is far stranger than you think. It begins almost 2 million years ago. Long before cities or farming, survival depended on every bite of food. Your teeth are surprisingly small compared with almost every other primate. Your stomach is smaller, and your gut is far shorter than a gorilla's. Why would evolution build a body so poorly suited for raw food? Because evolution didn't expect you to eat everything raw. No other species cooks its food. Humans are completely unique. Around 2 million years ago, something extraordinary changed our ancestors. Many scientists believe cooking helped create the first truly human body. Raw food demanded endless chewing, wasting precious time and energy. Even today, great apes spend nearly half their day chewing. Without cooking, digestion consumed enormous amounts of the body's energy. Cooking begins breaking food down before it even reaches your stomach. Think of raw food as a locked box. Fire simply hands your body the key. The energy saved from digestion could now fuel a larger brain. Although your brain is small, it consumes around 20% of your body's energy. Cooking also gave humans something even more valuable than calories: time. Time created opportunities to learn, teach, cooperate, and build culture. That simple campfire eventually became the center of every human home. One scientist proposed an idea that completely changed how we think about human evolution.
Harvard anthropologist Richard Wrangham argued that cooking, not meat alone, transformed our species.
Cooking softens food before digestion even begins, saving the body valuable energy. Heat does part of the digestive work long before your stomach has to. The energy your body saves can be invested somewhere much more important. Over thousands of generations, smaller guts helped support larger brains. Cooking also freed hours that could now be spent learning instead of chewing. The fire became more than a source of food. It became the center of human society. But proving this theory wasn't easy. Fire leaves behind very little evidence. Bones can survive for millions of years. Ash often disappears forever. The biggest challenge was simple. Ancient fires rarely survive the passage of time. The oldest reliable fire evidence appears much later than scientists expected. Researchers searched caves for the smallest traces of controlled fire. One of the strongest discoveries came from Wonderwork Cave in South Africa. But Wrangham believes cooking may have started much earlier. Fire disappears quickly. Bones preserve the real story. Scientists decided to test the theory using modern biological experiments. two groups of animals were fed exactly the same food. The animals eating cooked food absorbed more energy and gained more weight. The amount of food was identical. The energy the body extracted was not.
Cooking unlocked calories that would otherwise remain trapped inside the food.
It wasn't only meat. Cooked roots, grains, and starches changed everything. That extra energy helped support one of evolution's greatest achievements, the human brain. Fire did more than cook food. It also protected our ancestors from predators. Keeping a fire alive required planning, teamwork, and constant cooperation. The campfire became the heart of the earliest human communities. Skills, stories, and knowledge were passed from one generation to another. From a single fire grew villages, civilizations, and eventually the modern world.
Even today, every shared meal carries the legacy of humanity's very first campfire.
Some people believe humans can thrive on a completely raw diet.
But history tells a very different story. Some people believe humans can thrive on a completely raw diet.
Modern raw food diets often depend on technology our ancestors never had.
Your body was shaped for cooked food, not endless hours of chewing. Today's kitchen is simply the latest version of humanity's oldest invention. Every shared meal connects you with millions of years of human history. That first controlled fire quietly changed the future of our entire species. Your love of cooked food isn't just a habit. It's an ancient instinct. From a single ember to the microwave in your kitchen, the connection never disappeared. The next time you heat a meal, remember, you're continuing a tradition that began nearly 2 million years ago. Across millions of years, one tradition has never disappeared: sharing a cooked meal. Every civilization you've ever heard of began with one simple discovery: fire. Cultures changed. Recipes changed. But cooking remained universal. Cooking became one of humanity's oldest traditions, passed from generation to generation. Even today, scientists continue uncovering new clues about our ancient past.
Every new discovery reminds us how closely our brains are connected to cooking.
Technology has changed, but the flame that shaped humanity still burns. That comforting smell isn't just delicious, it's one of the oldest memories written into human biology. Tonight, millions of people will cook dinner, continuing a tradition that began nearly 2 million years ago. Thanks for watching. See you in the next journey through history.